Before the boards, trust your preparation talaga. I know na nakaka-tempt na, oh my God, may bagong ganitong reviewer, may Quizlet na di ko pa nakita. Pero just don't. Nakaka-tempt, pero just review what you already know. Kasi that's gonna give you more results than familiarizing 100 things na you barely master. Alam mo yun? Parang mas maganda na mas strong yung foundations mo.
Welcome to Mindset Magic with Nika, your space for main character energy, identity shifts, and intentional living.
And then, during the boards, trust your decisions. And don't answer the next item if nandun ka pa sa current one. Don't jump on the next thing if you still haven't, like, given at least 30 seconds, 20 seconds for that thing right now, nakaharap mo. So, one question, one sheet lang at a time. And while you are reviewing, di ba, one day at a time. But during the exam, one question at a time, one page at a time, one answer at a time, kasi nakaka-overwhelm. And ang dami nun, ilang items yun per subject, di ba? So just keep yourself grounded, not in your head too much. Stay in your body. Kanina, I like it, yung pause, breathe. Like, hinga talaga. If you forget everything na we said, hinga na lang kayo. Kasi, you'll know, your body will be like, okay lang pala mag-relax. And then, magugulat kayo na, boards lang pala. Yun yung ideal energy. Boards lang pala to. And then, after the boards, trust yourself. So, stop checking if everyone got the same answers as you. Stop punishing yourself for questions, answers na you can't change anymore. Kasi hindi naman nga siya magde-determine ng identity mo eh. Like kanina pinakita na sa inyo what else is beyond the license. And di ba sobrang exciting? And it does not define their identity. Parang naka-add lang yun ng richness in their life. So these boards will also just add richness to your life. So whatever the result, sasabihin na okay, you pass, but it does not say na, eto lang yung pwede mong gawin. This is just what you're capable of. This is what you're limited to doing. Hindi, like not at all. Ikaw yung magde-decide noon. And if you ever forget that, message na lang kaming mga IDR here. And for those who found me rin through Mindset Magic, I started yung special last year kasama si Jenna with my batchmates. You can just look us up there. Mga younger self namin nagsishare ng, ng more tips na you can just replay again and again. So yeah, we'll be here for you guys. And groundwork is 10 years. So see, there is so much help and support available to you all. Kailangan mo na lang talaga i-trust yung sarili mo, yung decision mo, and your preparation. So, yeah, thank you so much and good luck.
This is Mindset Magic.